The XDC US dollar swaps close at 0.032, which is a huge boost for the bears. The support level for the bears has been set at 0.031, and the trading volume for XDC is about $1,341,211. In this video, we'll talk you through the XDC organization cost examination for now, or especially for 1 week from now, and try to answer these commonly asked questions. Facts: how much do you think XDC Group will cost right now? What is XDC and why is it particularly smart in a very important way? How much do people like and dislike the XDC organization? Analysis of the market shows that over the last 24 hours, cryptocurrencies have lost 1.84, taking the total market value to $1.177 trillion. The total amount of money traded has stayed the same at $20 billion. Bitcoin has 49.89% of the market for new users, while Ethereum has 16.33%, which is a very important number. After a drop of 0.54 because of this, the price of Bitcoin went down to $30,231.42. This is a big drop compared to other digital currencies. In the last 24 hours, the price of Ethereum has gone down by 0.65 to 1860.73. The local coin, XRP, is now worth 47 centimeters, which is 0.66 more than it was before. The US dollar's value, XDC, has dropped by 0.032, and Coco's BCX has fallen by 0.77, which is a big deal. These things show that the market has been falling for a long time and is falling a lot right now. All over the crypto market, there is a big and bad drop, which shows that the total trade volume stays at 20,577,638,4440 most of the time, which is very important. Support and resistance for the XDC association are big specific marks that are used to find key cost levels where the example can go another way. It is a tax. How the local currency, the XRP, has gone up by 0.66 and is now worth 47 pennies. This means that XDC US dollar moves close to 0.032. And the levels of support and resistance for XDC association are listed below. The price of XDC association XDC is now 0.032, which is 0.48 less than it was a day ago. Its value has changed by $3.74 in the past week, showing that Coco's BCX went from 60 cents to 60 cents after losing 77 cents in a single day. The total market value of XDC association XDC is $439,732,247. Out of 37705,000,000 600.99, 35,472 are usually ready for use. XDC Association Value Assessment XDC Cost Analysis for 0 to 8 July 2023 in a kind of everyday time frame really got a handle on below. More look at how XDC Association Value Assessment XDC Cost Analysis for 0 to 8 July 2023 in a kind of everyday time frame really got a handle on below, which is great. Mapped support levels and resistance levels at different midpoints of time moving, such as usually clear moving, very typical little moving, and emotional moving, are linked and compared. Really common EMX organization support and resistance in general are important technical pointers used to find key price levels where the trend can go in a different direction. This shows how XDC organization support and opposition and resistance in general are important technical pointers used to find key price levels where the trend can go in a different direction. In the same way, a barrier is a level at which merchants become truly dynamic and stop the price of a coin from going up. XRP shows how the local currency, XRP, has gone up by 0.66 and is currently worth 47 cents, so XDC United States dollar trades close at 0.032. And the help and resistance levels of the XDC organization follow in a simple way. XDC structure performance. The price of XDC company XDC is now 0.032, which is 0.48 less than it was a day ago. Its value has changed by $3.74 in the last week, showing that Coco's BCX went from 77 cents to 60 cents in one day. The total market cap for BTC is $439,732,247 which shows how much money is traded in BTC. 377,51,269,354,752 are pretty much ready to be used. XDC Company Value Analysis. XDC Cost Analysis for July 8, 2023 in a day-to-day time span. In a real sense made sense of below, which is very big. We use fundamentally relative strength index RSI moving kind of normal. MACD support and resistance levels have different moving midpoints at different times. Like simple moving very normal small and dramatic moving very normal. EMA to see how the XDC will change in the future, which mostly shows that 16 to 22 July 2023 will be the same as it is now. In this video, we'll walk you through the XDC organization cost exam, which you can take now or in about a week, and try to answer these questions about important facts that are often asked. Even though most people think that RSI is close to overvalued when trading at 57 and is trying to break out of the lack of bias, the short-term price prediction for XDC is that it's a good buy zone, showing how XDC sets up support and resistance levels, etc., which really shows that the EMA 50 is currently at 0.029, or so they thought, while XDC's Williams %R line is actually at 28.994. Showing a balanced situation. At this point, a deal is almost always possible, which shows that we are kind